Hi everyone, welcome to the Cool Mathematics channel. In this video we're going to see exponents and powers exercise 12.2 question number 1. So before getting into the exercise problems, you need to know what is a standard form and how will you represent a number in a standard form. Okay, any number which is expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, which means that it should be having only the digits in its ones place, like 1 point, 2 point, something. So it should be having only a digits in its ones place. Okay, it can have 10th, 100th, that's not an issue at all here. So but it should be having only a digits in its ones place together with multiplied by a power of 10. So 10 to the power of any number. So should be multiplied by 10 to the power of any number. So expressing a number in this form is called as a standard form. So it should be between 1.0 and 10.0 multiplied by a power of 10. Okay. Express the following numbers in standard form. So this is your first question. We know that standard form will be represented as 8.5. That is, it should be having only a digits in its ones place. It can have 10th, 100th, that's not an issue, but it should be having before the decimal, it should be having only the digits in its ones place. Okay, so 8.5, it should be something like this. Okay, together with any number like to multiplied by a power of 10 number. So this power only we are supposed to find out here. So it can be either a positive or a negative. Okay, now if you see here 0.0000 is a very small number. So when you represent a small number in the standard form, you will be representing using a negative exponents. Okay, or else you can use the other way also. Now see here, now your decimal point is over here. When you represent it as 8.5, you are moving your decimal number to your right side. Okay, so how many digits you are moving, you need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 places you are shifting your decimal numbers towards your right. So when you're moving your decimal number to your right side, you'll be using negative exponents. Okay, so you can remember in either way. So one is moving your decimal number to your right means you'll be using negative exponents, or if your number is a very small number, you can represent in a standard form using negative exponents. So here your answer will be 8.5 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay, now second problem in the same way only. Now see, it's 0.000 is a very small number. So when you represent this small number in a standard form, you'll be using negative exponents, right? So this the standard form will be, as I have already told you, it should be having only the digits in its ones place. So it will be 9.42 into 10 to the power of any number. So that's what we are going to find out here. Okay, so now your decimal point is over here. So you're moving your decimal point to your right side. So how many digits you're moving, you should count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again 12 digits we are moving our decimal number towards the right side. So your answer will be 9.42 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So how many digits? So when you're moving to your right side, then it will be a negative exponents. Okay. One more question. 602000. If you see this number, it's not a very small number. It's such a very big number. So when your number is a very big number, you'll be using positive exponents, obviously. Okay. So now standard form is the one which will be represented as, it will be having only a digit in its ones place, like it is 6.02. So until the 0 starts, till that number you'll be expressing it in the standard form. Okay, so 6.02. Now when your number is like this, like without any decimal number, then obviously the decimal point will be over here only. Okay, it's understood that your decimal point is here. Okay, now you're moving your decimal point to your left side now. So when you're shifting your decimal point to your left side, you'll be using positive exponents. Okay, so how many digits you are shifting, you need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 digits you are shifting your number to your left side. So your answer will be 6.02 into 10 to the power of 15. It's a positive exponents. Okay, since it's a very large number, you'll be using positive exponents, or when you're shifting your decimal point to your left side, you'll be using positive exponents. Okay, now again, question number 4. Question number 4 is 0.00000000837 is your question number 4. Okay, so now again, you'll be representing this number in a standard form like 8.37. Okay, this is your 8.37. Now it's a very small number, so you'll be using negative exponents. So here you will be shifting your decimal number to your right side. Okay, so how many digits you are shifting, you need to count. So we'll count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 digits you are shifting your decimal number to your right side. So when you're moving your decimal number to your right side, you'll be using negative exponents. So your answer will be 8.37 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, into 10 to the power of minus 9 will be your answer. Okay. So last question. This is the last question here. So again, it's a very big number, so you'll be using positive exponents here. So if there is no decimal point, then it is understood that your decimal point is over here. So you'll be shifting to your left side. When you're shifting your decimal number to your left side, you'll be using positive exponents. So how many digits you are shifting, you will need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits you are shifting. So your answer will be 3.186. Okay, 3.186 into 10 to the power of 10 will be your answer.